everyone, welcome back to Crochet Dreamer. Today I'm gonna show you how to make Lycoris Radiata, also known as Spider Lily, in Japanese called Hikabana. The most thing is the red kind, in Sanskrit called Manjusaka, the flowers of hell. White one is called Mandarava, the flowers from heaven. Before we start crocheting, if you like unique crochet ideas, patterns, and tutorials, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell for the notification. Okay, let's start it. To make this project, you need a fine red thread or other colors you want to make, and a green thread for stem, 0.5mm hook, golden beads for stamens, 0.2mm wire for shaping petals, stamens, and pistils. It can be cut easily with scissors or thread snippers. And scissors, a ruler for measuring the length of stamens and pistils, and a white glue for wrapping wires with thread. The structure of the Lycoris, as this picture, usually it has 6 flowers as a group, 6 petals, 6 stamens, and 1 pistils in flower. So we are gonna make 6 flowers. It has 36 stamens and 6 pistils, and we will need 78 pieces of wires. I would recommend that every piece of wire to be longer than 15 centimeters at least. To crochet a flower, first of all, we are gonna make a chain 4 circle. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Slip stitch into the first chain. And then chain 1. Make 6 single crochet in a circle. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slip stitch into the first single crochet. Next, we make chain 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Next, start in the second chain from the hook. We are gonna make 1 single crochet in each chain. now we have 19 single crochet, and then slip stitch in the same stitch of the first round. And now rotate the work to another side of single crochet row. Pull a wire through the middle. We are gonna wrap it in the stitches when we continue to crochet. Okay, now we repeat increase single crochet for 9 times. And 1 single crochet in the last stitch. Adjust the wire to have enough length to be wrapped in another side. My wire tail is a little bit too short, so I pull it longer. Okay, I think it's enough. And then fold it back. You see the wire loops fit the petal. Now make chain 3. And 1 single crochet in the second chain. Double crochet in the next chain. And then 1 single crochet in the first single crochet. Make sure you are wrapping the wire in the stitches. And then repeat. Increase single crochet all the way. Now slip stitch in the same stitch of the first round. And slip stitch again to the next stitch. If there is a wire tail, you can just cut it off. And now 1 petal is done. Repeat those steps to make other 5 petals and the other 5 flowers. The next diamonds will be using these golden beads as a tip. So, thread a bit with the wire, just a little bit. And twist the wire to lock a bit there. and wrap the wire with the thread until it reaches 5 to 5.5 centimeters. And then the pistol. We wrap the wire a little bit on one side and fold the wrap part in half. And keep going the rest, just like stamens, until it reaches 5 to 5.5 centimeters. Once you have 36 stamens and 6 pistils, we can assemble the flowers. This part is simply just wrapping wires all together. We start from the flower, put 6 stamens and 1 pistil to the middle. You can poke through the middle with your hook first to open the hole bigger, so it will be easier to pull them. Use some glue and the same color of the thread to make a button of flower. And then use the green thread to make stem, but we just make a short part first. Do the same to all other flowers. And then wrap them all together. The last thing you need to do is making all the parts into the right shape. Curl the petals and the bent pistils and the stamens. And then your lycoris is done. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Happy crochet!